Is it sharp? Is it a needle? What is it?
Get down!
Two ordinary hotel calls spiral out of control when Karens refuse to cooperate and push their luck with police. From shouting to shocking arrests, every action comes with a price.
You're not taking me away if you break my leg!
On the 11th of January 2025, area police arrived at the Best Western to handle a female guest who refused to leave, setting the stage for a tense incident.
Hi, did you have a young woman run into here with blonde hair? Yeah.
Could we talk to her, please?
Is she with you or what's the deal? You don't even know who she is?
Do you know who she is?
Yes, my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
Could we talk to her, please?
Yes, you can reach out.
Okay.
The owner told her to leave. My manager
Could I come in? Okay. Hey, let me see your hands. Stop. Hey, keep your hands out of your purse. Your hands out of your purse. Hands out of your purse. Hands out of your purse. Let me see your hands here. That's okay. What are we doing?
I'm waiting for a ride.
Hey, do you have your ID? They don't want you.
I understand that. I don't have a room here. I'm waiting for an Uber.
That's the issue. You're not supposed to be here, and you're in this poor man's room.
She claimed she was waiting for a ride, but was actually hiding in a room, making hotel staff even more suspicious and forcing police to get directly involved.
I was standing outside.
And then you hear the police are here, and you're hiding behind this dresser here.
I don't know. You guys are all at the door begging and shit.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I appreciate you.
Do you have an idea?
I don't have an ID with
What's
me,
your social?
okay?
What are you on?
Huh?
What are you on?
Medication for bipolar.
Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. 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 Stop.
Why are you guys at? Oh my God.
Stop.
Why are you hurting me?
If you kick me, I am going to dump you on the ground. Get cuffs. Stop.
Man.
On the ground.
Stop!
Your hands behind your back. Stop moving. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct by Handcuffs.
When ordered to leave, she strongly resisted, struggling with officers and forcing them to use physical restraint and handcuffs.
I know, but she won't stop me. Alright. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct by Handcuffs. Hey, stop moving so I can double lock your cuffs. Stop moving so I can double lock your cuffs.
Trespassing.
Okay. Stop moving.
Can you please listen to shit?
I will when you stop tweaking out. Hey, dear, I'm gonna help you to your feet. Can you tuck your knees to your chest?
Yes, can you stop?
Alright, I'm gonna help you up, okay? Ready?
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
There we go.
Relax.
Can you please loosen up?
Like, as soon as you stop tweaking out, okay?
Can you please?
Let me go pull my car around back.
Alright. Can you hold her for 1 second? Be cool. We cool. You don't know her at all, sir?
Oh my God, they are so bad.
What's her name?
Can you please stop tightening these things? They fucking hurt, man.
You're moving it.
I'm so comfortable.
Remember Mirandizer? Mirandizer?
What is that? Miranda?
No.
No.
No need to unless you want to.
I was just gonna ask her what she's
Oh
on.
my God.
She's high as a kite right now.
Yeah, well, I smoke weed and I don't normally smoke weed.
Liar, pants
Okay.
Alright, let's get out of this poor guy's room.
Did you get my phone? I'm not gonna see it. I don't even fucking know his name. Did you guys get
Over
my?
there.
Why do you have to
Over there.
so hard? I don't know where I'm going.
During the search, officers found unusual items in her bra, including a small box disguised as counterfeit cash, raising further suspicions of illegal activity.
You got anything tucked up on you?
No, I don't. I think I
another
have something in
charge.
bra. I don't
Something in
know.
your bra?
Check it. Give it. What?
What's in
Well,
your
I'm not
bra?
checking your
I don't know.
bra.
Can you get that fucking black thing off of me, please?
What's in your bra?
I don't know. Check. I don't fucking remember.
We can't check it.
Oh. Why can't you? I don't know.
She's not here.
Who's not here?
She thinks she got something in her bra.
Can we pull her pockets yet?
I don't have some pocket.
Think you said got something in your bra?
I think so. I don't
Where
know.
in your bra?
in my bra, like.
We're gonna get it out so you don't catch a case.
Face towards this guy. Face towards this guy.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna try to shake it. Is it sharp? Is it a needle? What is it?
No, I don't fucking know. Just, I don't remember.
Just keep facing me so we keep you
Sorry.
decent.
Hold on. I got it.
Oh, that was his. He put it in my fucking pocket.
That was his?
Yeah, they're little fake $100 weed billers.
I don't care about that. You got nothing else tucked in your bra?
I don't know. Check it.
We gotta know. We're trying to save you a case. You should know what's on yours. Check up on you.
Remember?
Let's talk to her.
Money's fake money.
Oh no, they're weed containers in like $100 bills. Do you have anything else in your bra we need to know
I
about?
don't know. I'm asking you to look.
Where would it be?
The other thing.
Like tucked in like the wire here?
No, like in the bra cup.
In the bra cup?
Yeah.
Girl, you know I can't pull. Just shake it.
Yeah, just shake it. Take it from under.
Nothing? Do you feel anything?
I don't.
All right. If there's anything in there and we have a female CEO find it, it's going to be an additional charge.
Take underneath and shake it.
I'm not. Okay.
Can I? I don't know. Can I try to pull a strap down
Do
a
we pull
little?
her pockets and all that?
If they have a female deputy,
Yeah, we can do that.
In the parking lot.
I'm not going much farther than what I did just
Or
now.
in the Sally port.
Jump on there.
The guy that was in there, yeah, I ran him. The manager, no.
What are you doing?
Oh, check it back up, please.
After being searched and escorted to the patrol car, she continued to resist and complain. In the end, she faced several serious charges. The lesson here: the more you resist, the worse the consequences get.
Get down!
On the 9th of August 2025, Washington police responded to an urgent call from a hotel. A female guest had turned into an emotional bomb, yelling and throwing her keycard at staff. The chaos was just getting started.
Don't throw stuff. Stay where you are. Okay, here's the deal. Right now, you're under arrest. You're not free to go. I'm telling you, you're under arrest. You're not free to go.
Are you sure?
100% sure you are under arrest. You're not free to go. I need you to turn around and put your hands on your head.
She has been informed that she's under arrest.
And she's running towards Subway. She entered Subway. Put the rocks down. You are under arrest.
I am not.
Turn around.
Under what grounds?
Turn around.
Under what grounds?
Step away from the rocks. Put the rocks down or you will be tased. Put the rocks down or you will be tased.
Chase me. Chase me.
Put the rocks down.
No.
Put the rock
I
down.
got this crystal bitch.
She kept refusing to comply, still holding the rock and forcing police to warn her they'd use a taser if she continued resisting.
Down.
You go. You go. There, I'm in danger. I'm the one's in danger.
Okay, listen to me.
This
You
guy
don't
tried
want to
to
get
me
tased.
You don't want to get a rock in the head.
I'm giving you an opportunity.
You're shaking. You're scared.
I'm giving you an opportunity to put the rocks
You're
down.
scared too.
Put the. Thank you, sir. Get down! Get down! Get down! Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
We're gonna get this.
Hey,
John Paul is a pervert. He's sex trafficking children. He's a pedophile.
Hey, listen. We're just rolling you over.
He molested my daughter. He molested my daughter.
I got that arm. I got this arm.
Molested my daughter. This is not a movie.
I got cuffs.
This is a documentary about sex trafficking kids from Ballard. The comment Ballard. This is about sex trafficking children. This is about sex trafficking children. My father, my daughter's father was killed. A lot of people are dying. You're gonna die. They're poisoning people. They're putting rat shit in molds.
After being subdued, she loudly protested, claimed mistreatment, and threw multiple accusations at the officers on scene.
Rat shit and mold. You better hope you're recording this. You better have your body cameras on. You better have your body cameras on. I know my rights. I took criminal justice classes.
All right, listen.
For a law firm.
I know you know your rights, but I'm going to read them. You have the right to remain silent.
I know my rights.
Not answer any questions or make any statements.
Okay.
That one?
You're gonna get so sued. You're gonna get so sued. You better be gentle with me.
All right.
You better be gentle. If my heart's broken, you should tase me in the heart. You tase me in the heart.
Okay,
You
stand up.
better be
Ready?
recording.
Roll over. 1, 2, 3.
You tased me in the
Stand up.
heart.
Stand up.
You tased me in the heart. If my arm is broken, you are going down just like the law firm, just like Michael Longyear, just like Reed Longyear. You were promised
Walk.
land in Hawaii and in Mexico. We go to a yoga retreat in Mexico with Chris Swires and his wife, Shelly. And that's why the house.
Go here.
Yep, okay. I would love to call it a team. Just none of mine. Not the ones I worked for 26 years.
I stand right here. Anything on you? You know about? Any pockets?
Nope, they stole my shit. I did have a crystal, but I threw it at somebody.
Yeah, you threw that at my partner.
Good. He deserved it. He tased me in the heart.
Yeah, we're gonna have the fire department respond and check you out, alright?
Oh, I hope my arm's not broken. I hope my arm's not broken.
She reported a broken arm and chest pain from the taser. Paramedics were called to assess her medical condition.
You know, if I say Christopher Benno,
Let go of that.
I already threw my crystal at you.
Let go of that.
I have to say, what?
Let go of this.
That's just a hair tie.
I know. I'll be back with you. Just look over it, okay?
Okay. We'll see what happens. You got the eyes? I got the eyes. He has the eyes.
So, are you injured?
Yeah, someone broke my arm.
Where on
They
your left
tased
arm?
me in the
Where?
My whole
Car. I'm wait for aid. Come on.
tased me in the heart.
Come on,
They
I gotta
tased
put you in the
me
car,
multiple
okay?
times and no, you're not.
Yeah, come on.
No.
Walk.
Look
No.
at
Listen. Listen.
You're not taking me anywhere.
Can you get the leg chance?
You're not taking me
Here,
anywhere.
here,
If you
here,
break
here.
my
No,
leg,
first.
if my legs get broken, you're already being sued.
Hey, listen.
What's
you're
your
gonna
name?
be restrained.
You
if
see
you
these?
don't-
You see these?
Yeah,
If you don't go,
We're
your
gonna
own
put these
way.
on your legs and you lose the ability to walk.
I'm fine. I'm relaxed. I'm chill.
Move your leg.
Okay, move it.
Okay, I'm chill.
Okay, move it. All
I
right.
see you have the eyes, the big shiny eyes. Mine are green. My hair's red.
Here is red.
We'll see what happens. I'm good. Put you in the car. Let's see what happens.
Get pictures of the
How many times did I get tased? Did I fall
taser
down?
stuff.
Did I fall down after you
Her
tased me
injuries
in
to
the
the
heart?
taser. Let's get pictures of that real quick. Before
Yeah.
you're in the car. Hold on.
My heart.
Taser at.
Take a picture of my heart.
side.
It's on the arm. Come here.
Lift up my shirt. Look at my tits. I'll show
No, I
you.
don't even see that.
They tased me in the heart. Yeah, you better be shaking.
Right here.
Bauer. That's German.
Can you calm down for me, okay?
Right there. Looks like.
And your other one's underneath your shirt. I'm not going to expose you, okay?
Thank
I'll let
you.
medical do that, but
Yeah,
For
they
camera
tased me in
purposes.
the heart.
do me a favor.
They
Have a
tased
seat for me,
3
ma'am, okay?
times.
Police documented her injuries, maintained order, and ensured she received proper medical care in line with protocol.
Please don't make it difficult. Remember I told you about leg restraints? We're gonna wrap your leg restraints up and pull you in.
Look at
Just
my
sit down.
eyes and look at my hair.
Okay. Sit
I wear
inside,
a
please.
St. Christopher medal on my finger.
Sit down.
And I just threw a crystal
Can you go to
at
this side?
him. Guess how many times? Guess how many times
Can you sit down?
they tased
What's
me?
your name?
My name's Leah.
Leah, please sit down.
Leah. You know what it means? It means crying angel.
Sit down or I'm gonna have to.
Thank you.
Thank you
He's
so
in
much.
school.
Listen.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think my arm's broken.
Okay, listen. We're gonna have medical come out here. They're
I
gonna.
think my arm's
They're
broken.
gonna do their assessment.
After a series of confrontational actions, she was taken to the hospital and now faces charges of assault, property damage, and resisting law enforcement. The lesson: one moment of losing control can end up costing you a criminal record.